The Queen of Dancehall Spice is in celebration mode after her newly released album debuted on the Billboard Reggae album chart at the number 6 spot. Spice also shared the news with her fans in this recent social media post. 10 was released on August 6 and has been receiving rave viewers. Spice shared that 10 had received over 55 million all-time streams since its release. The album features Spice's hit track Some Like It, which now boasts over 100 million views on streaming platform YouTube. The Billboard chart also sees Vybz Kartel's Born For This debuting at the number 9 spot. Now, according to MRC data, the 12-track album had 812,638 audio streams and 182,880 video streams in the US during its first week. Born For This' total first week also included 605 in pure album sales. And still on Vybz Kartel, as the internet erupted last night after a video clip of a recent news interview with Vybz Kartel surfaced. Part 1 of the interviews, dubbed Vybz Kartel, His Fight for Freedom, went viral moments after its release and was trending on social media. The interview appears to have been conducted from his Kingston jail cell with journalist Lisa Evers. It's reported that Jamaican authorities have since launched a probe into the interview. Saint International supermodel on the rise Tomiwa is featured in the Red Valentino Fall 2021 global advertising campaign. The newly unveiled campaign was shot in Paris in May and sees Tomiwa in the must-wear chic women's wear selections along with French model Emma Cabraspinis and Polish model Antonia Predzpelski. The Italian luxury fashion of Valentino, Red Valentino, focuses on applying the essential Valentino spirit onto youth city street style. The Saint supermodel was born in Nigeria and now resides in Paris. Veteran artist Freddie McGregor received yet another milestone after the city of Hartford in Connecticut in USA formally recognized August 14, 2021 as Freddie McGregor Day. The recognition was given to McGregor for his significant contribution to the art form of reggae music for over 5 decades. McGregor is a Jamaican singer, record producer, and musician who began his music career as early as 7 years old. Freddie is known as the Big Ship Captain who has made significant contributions to reggae music over the decades. I'm Carrie Simpson reporting for E! Prime.